Let us do the second chapter now. Knowing India. Those who are having the old books, the number of the chapter is 11 there. India is the 7th largest country in world in respect of area. Underline this. Full line. India is the 7th largest country in the world in respect of area. We are proud to be Indian. Let's know more about India. Now here are some questions related to India we have to answer. Can you name the following of India? First, the capital of India. Capital of India is New Delhi. New Delhi. Second, Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August every year. Third, first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth, Republic Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? 26th January. 26th January. Independence Day and Republic Day. Just understand this. Independence Day, the day when our India got freedom from the British rule. And Republic Day is the day when our country adopted the Constitution. Constitution means a book of rules. Number 5, Teachers Day. Teachers Day, as you all know, that you celebrate Teachers Day in your school. It is celebrated every year on 5th September. 5th September. Number 6, the current president. Who is the president of India now? Ram Nath Kovind. Ram Nath Kovind. Number 7, the current Prime Minister. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Number 8, first President of India. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 9, the currency. Currency means money which we are using in India. Rupees. And it is written as R. Now B part. Match the national symbols with their status. Column A and column B. Number 1, tiger. Tiger is the national animal. Number 2, banyan. Banyan is the national tree. Number 3, hockey, national sport. Number 4, mango, national fruit. Number 5, lion, capital, national emblem. National emblem. Number 6, lotus, national flower. Number 7, tricolor, national flag. National flag. Number 8, peacock. Peacock is the national bird. National bird. See children, this question can come as question answers also and as matchups also. You have to learn in both the ways. Now underline this. The name of our country, India, has been derived from the river Indus. Before independence, the river Indus was flowing through our country, and because of this river, our country got the name India. The concept of zero means zero was given. The mathematics we are using zero. It was introduced by the Indian mathematician. His name was Aryabhatta. Bhatta. His name was Arya Bhatta. Thank you, children. Study every day. Stay safe and learn every day. Thank you.